Ready?
Yep.
Okay, go.
Saint Michael the Archangel, defend us. Be our protection against the wicked and snares of the devil. My God, rebuke him. We humbly pray. And do thou, Prince of the heavenly host, by the power of God, cast and Satan and all evil spirits who prowl for speak in the ruin of souls.
There's Gus. Hey, Gussie. How's it going, bud?
You do it too, Gus.
Saint Michael the
I can do it with him.
Okay, you two go over there.
We are Archangel. Defend us in battle. Be our protection against the wickedness, man, of the devil. May God rebuke him. Humbly pray. And do thou, Prince of the heavenly host, by the power of God, cast into Satan and all evil spirits who prowl for the rules, begin the ruin of souls. Amen.